In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Capital.com account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Capital.com, and then on here at the top right, you'll see it says sign up. So you want to click on the sign up button, and then over here, you can either continue with your email address and password, you can continue with Google or with Apple. So we're going to go with Google right now, but of course, you can choose any option. I just think Google is the easiest. You then want to select your Google account in case you went with Google, and then you will basically just have to click on continue. This is in a different language, just don't worry about it. There we go. And then as you can see, it's going to start directing you. It's going to start loading, and there we go. So here you'll have to basically confirm your country, nationality, and then your place of birth. And then you will have to click over here, these two check marks essentially, in case, of course, they are relevant to you. And then you want to click on continue. After you do this, click on get started. And then here you can, of course, either enable or disable receiving these marketing emails or not. So I'm going to not enable this, click continue. And then here, first you're going to have to answer the first 23 questions. So it's going to be basically questions for you, and you will have to answer them truthfully, as truthful as possible, and then just keep continuing. And after that, after those 23 questions are done, you'll have to turn in all your info, so your name, your surname, your address, etc. And then via that, you'll basically get verified, and then you'll be able to create your own Capital.com account via that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.